All right guys, so we're gonna get started by seasoning our chicken. I have chicken that is bone in with skin because it makes it juicier and simply really good. I like to season the underside first so that I can flip it and then put the skin right on my pan. So let me show you how I do it. I'm gonna take some salt and liberally salt one side, pepper, and some sweet paprika. Or you can use your favorite seasoning instead. Now we're gonna flip our chicken onto the other side and do the skin. Again, we're gonna take some salt. Now, whether or not you eat the skin, you still want to fry it up and make it crispy so the juices on the pan and all the tidbits get that really great chicken flavor. Let's add some freshly ground pepper to the top and then the rest of the seasoning. Awesome. So now that that's done, we're ready to cook these thighs.